Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to translate website on Safari on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open Safari, then open any website. Now once you open a website, now for an example, if you want to translate this website, now at the left side of the search bar, you will find this icon. Just tap on it, and from here you will find the option of translate website. Just tap on it. Now just select your preferred language. Now if you cannot find your preferred language from here, just tap on preferred language, then tap on add language, and from here just select a language which you want to translate the website to. For an example, I will select Chinese. Now just select use English. Now if you go back to the website, now from here just tap on this icon at the left side of the search bar, then tap on translate website. You will find the selected language over here. Now just tap on it. Now just wait for a few seconds and it will translate the website to the selected language. Now to change the language back to the default, just tap on the language icon and select View Original. And it will convert the website back to the original language. And this is how you can translate website on Safari on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.